Alright everybody, this is Brandon again. There hasn't been a whole lot of news on the ChromeOS front lately. Nothing's really been going on. And yesterday we kind of find out why. We've kind of known about the aluminum or aluminium OS that they've been working on. And yesterday they just kind of announced where they're going with that. It's this thing called Googlebook. Googlebook, what is it? This is basically a Android based desktop. That's kind of going to be they said higher end replacement for Chromebooks, probably the replacement of Chromebook Plus, and then the long term Chromebook in general. And it's stuffed to the brim with AI, with Gemini. Exciting, right? No, maybe not. So, I'm just scrolling through, looking at all the announcements. I've watched a few videos about it. I watched a interview that the guys from Chrome Unboxed did with one of the guys working on this thing. And, I have some thoughts about it. Regular Chromebooks, if you've watched this channel for a while, the ChromeOS related content, you'll know I'm not as much of a fan as normal Chromebooks that you purchase versus ChromeOS Flex being added to old devices. I think ChromeOS Flex is a great system for low-powered devices, and I've also used it on a high-end device long-term for doing development work, and it's not optimal, but you're able to do that. And I don't know that there's going to be much of a future for ChromeOS Flex going on. I think they're kind of putting their chips in this Googlebook bag, and from what I've seen so far, Googlebook, whatever they're calling the operating system on it, does not look like it's going to be something you can install on your own hardware. This is more of a locked down thing like Android. It runs Android apps primarily, unlike the web app focus on Chrome OS. We see some pictures on it. I don't want to be 100% negative on it. Some things that look interesting, like in this screenshot here, it looks like you're going to be able to have icons on the desktop. That's something. I like the windows, look nice enough. I don't know that I like the big status bar on the top as well as the regular taskbar on the bottom. I think that could be unified, kind of like on Chrome OS, but that's neither here nor there. But here's one thing that gave me pause that I really don't like. Gmail. This is obviously the Android version on the Googlebook, and that's one thing you're probably going to see, this being an Android-based system. All the apps are probably going to be Android apps. Well, anyone who's had an Android tablet knows that the Android apps aren't that great on an Android tablet. I know this device I'm recording on right now is a Chromebook Plus model. One of the first things I did after using it for a few days was disable the Android app support, because you'd open Gmail, and instead of getting the nice functional Gmail website, you get the Gmail Android app, which is inferior to the website. And so this is going to be more of the same, I think, defaulting to Android apps on everything. When in my opinion, most of the Google services, Gmail, YouTube, Photos, the web app is almost always better than the Android app. But here we're going to be on Android. But yeah, my biggest concerns about this, and again, I want to be open-minded. Maybe it'll look better as time goes on. To me, this looks like it's going to be a more closed-down version of Chromebooks, which are already closed down. They didn't say anything about Linux support. I wouldn't be surprised if it's not there. We'll have to see. We'll be able to sideload applications. We'll have to see on that. Is it going to have an actual real desktop class Chrome browser, or just the Android one with some more features? Are other competing desktop browsers going to be able to be installed on this thing? Who knows? And probably the biggest concern is just AI everywhere. AI. At a time when even Microsoft announced that they're going to start removing some of this Copilot stuff from Windows 11 because nobody liked it, Google decides to come in and say, well, hey, we're going to make our OS full of AI. And if you watch the videos on this, even the mouse cursor has AI in it now. The mouse cursor. What are we even doing here? So, again, I want to be positive about it because I really liked Chrome OS, particularly Chrome OS Flex, but in my opinion, not impressed with what I've seen from Googlebook or the aluminum OS stuff in general. I don't need more AI and everything. I don't need the mouse cursor to have AI. I don't want a more locked down system. This isn't going to help pull people away from Windows 11. And they also made sure to say that this Googlebook is going to be for premium devices. Well, even Chromebook Plus devices are coming in at prices that are higher than a MacBook Neo. I'm not an Apple shill, but the MacBook Neo is probably going to be better than these things. I hate to say it. Anyway, I'll keep an eye on it. You guys can let me know what you think in the comments. I'm not thrilled for Googlebook. Maybe some people are. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Is Googlebook going to be awesome? Is this going to be better than Chrome OS? Should you just get a MacBook Neo? Or is Microsoft going to finally pull all the AI junk out of Windows and maybe we'll go back to that? Who knows? It's not a bad time. It's not a good time for operating systems. It feels like everything's just getting worse. Maybe Linux is the only way. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a good day. Goodbye now.